doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you the sounds of the alphabet, and I'm also going to be showing you objects that are related to the sounds of the alphabet. As you know, this is Cheerful Learners. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have to do today. So I'm going to be going from R to Z, and I'm going to be showing objects that are related to the sounds. All right, so let's start with R. So we say R, R as in arrow, R as in arrow, R as in ants, R as in ants. Next one, B, B, B as in ball, B as in ball, B as in bats, B as in bats, as in cup, as in cup, as in cobbler, as in cuts, as in cuts, as in cobbler, as in cup. Next one, D, 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 as in door, D, as in door, D, as in dinosaur. Okay, the next sound is as in egg, as in egg, as in elephant, as in elephant. Okay, the next one is now we say as in fish, as in fish, as in frog, as in frog. Okay, the next one, g, g, as in goats, g, as in goats, g, as in gates, g, as in gates. The next one is, let's go, again, as in house, as in house, as in hand, as in hand. Okay, the next one is A. Let's go again. A, again. A as in insects. A as in ink. A as in insects and A as in ink. Next one is J. Let's go. J as in jumping. J as in jumping. And J as in jogging. J as in jogging. Okay, the next sound is K. Now we call it the kicking K because the body language for K, this K is also the same sound with this K. But in order to differentiate it, we call this the kicking K because we kick our legs, we bring our legs forward like you are kicking a ball. So we say K. It's actually K. Just for you to differentiate it, you can call this the kicking K. So we go K as in kites, K as in kettle, K as in kites, K as in kettle. Now the next one is L. Let's go. L as in lollipop, L as in lollipop, L as in leg, L as in leg. The next one is let's go. As in man, as in mango. Okay, the next sound is let's go. Again. As in nail, as in nets, as in nail, as in nets. The next one is O. Let's go. O again. O as in orange, O as in onion, O as in orange, O as in onion. The next one is again, 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 as in pots, as in pencil, as in pots, as in pencil. The next sound is as in quick, as in quick, as in quick, like you're in a hurry, quick. I'm saying as in quack. The duck makes a sound quack, quack, quack. So we say as in quack. All right, so the next sound is the as in running, and as in rats. Again, as in rats. Okay, the next one is the let's go. So we say s as in sun, s as in sun, s as in sand, s as in sand, s as in sand. The next one is ts. Let's go. Ts. Again, ts. Again, ts. Ts. As in tea, ts. As in table, ts. As in tea, ts. As in table. Okay, I'm sure you're getting all of the sounds that we're taking so far. Okay, so the next sound we're going to is the, let's go. Now this is different from this is the first sound I mentioned is but this is as in umbrella. Again, umbrella, umbrella, under, umbrella, under, umbrella, under. Okay, so now I know you know the difference between the two. The first is the and this is like umbrella and under. Okay, so the next sound is the, let's go, as in van, as in vroom, 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 vroom. That's the sound that comes out of a car. So we go vroom, vroom, vroom. So we say as in vroom. All right, so the next one we'll be looking at is the woo. Again, woo. Again, woo. Again, woo. Again, woo. Okay, so we say woo as in wheel. The wheel of a bus. The wheels of a bus go round and round. Okay, so woo as in wind. Woo as in wind. Now the next one is the x. Let's go. X. Again, x. As in box. X. As in box. X. As in fox. X. As in box. X. As in fox. Now most times we don't get the x sound as the first letter of a word. When you get it as the first letter of a word, most times it doesn't always sound with the, it doesn't always come out with the x sound, except for X-ray. Okay, X-ray is the first sound and it's pronounced X-ray. But something like xylophone, xylophone is spelled X-Y. It starts with an X, but then we don't pronounce it with xylophone. No, it's a xylophone. So most times we don't use that word xylophone. We use box because there's an X sound at the end of the word. So we say box, we say fox. Again, box, fox. You can also say X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Okay, so the next one I'll be showing you is the yi sound. Let's go. Yi. We say yi as in yo-yo. Yi as in yacht. Yacht, that's it's a kind of shape that moves on water. Okay, so we say yi as in yacht. Yi as in yo-yo. Yo-yo is that thing you play with. It just goes up and down. Okay, so the last sound is the z sound. Let's go. Z again. Z as in zoo. Z as in zebra. Okay, so now we have looked at the sounds from R to Z. Okay, so I'm sure you can go over this over and over and over again and get used to these sounds, because it will help you when we begin our 2-letter words and our 3-letter words, and then when we go to our diagrams and our consonant clusters, it will help you to be able to blend and read properly. So I want you to take your time, sit down and go through the sounds one after the other, and I'm sure you would enjoy yourself while doing it. Do not forget that you're special and there's no one like you. Okay, so till we meet again on the next episode.